Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore short-term disability benefits with MetLife. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to your short-term disability claim. This includes your initial claim approval, any medical records, and communications with MetLife. Next, review your policy to understand the terms regarding reinstatement of benefits. Log into the MetLife online portal using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, locate the registration option on the MetLife website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section on the dashboard. Select Manage Existing Claims to view the status of your short-term disability claim. Determine if your benefits lapsed due to missed documentation or other specified reasons. If missing documentation is the issue, gather the necessary paperwork. Contact your healthcare provider to request any required medical documents. Upload these documents directly through the MetLife portal or send them via email as instructed. If your claim requires a new medical evaluation, schedule an appointment with your physician. After your appointment, ensure your doctor fills out the required forms completely. Submit these forms to MetLife as soon as possible. It's important to maintain communication with MetLife during this process. Reach out to their customer service if you have any questions or need assistance with your claim. Document all communications with MetLife, including dates, times, and the names of representatives. Once you've submitted all necessary documentation, monitor your email for updates from MetLife regarding your claim's status. Be prepared for potential follow-ups or requests for additional information. If approved, your benefits should be restored according to the timeline provided in their correspondence. If denied, carefully review the reasons for denial and consider your options for appeal. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. Be persistent but patient as you navigate the restoration of your benefits with MetLife. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.